I wanted to explain soda ash to you guys today because it's a question that I get asked a lot. What this white powdery film that appears on both black soap and other types of handmade soaps. So this can happen with cold processed soap or hot processed soap. It's very, very common. This is harmless. It doesn't affect how effective your soap is. I'm just going to hold it close to the camera for a while so you can see how exactly it looks like. Right, so this is a live video. I don't have much battery left on my phone, so what I'll do is I would kind of wrap up. I'll do a summary of what soda ash is, how it affects your soap, and how you can handle soda ash on your African black soap. I'm going to do a very quick live video, and then I'll take my time and explain in depth in a different video because my battery is very, very low. So basically, soda ash is something that occurs naturally. When you see soda ash on your African black soap, this doesn't mean that the soap is spoiled or it's not usable. That your soap would be just as effective. Soda ash is something that occurs when carbon dioxide interacts with the lye in your soap. And lye is caustic soda or sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So even though we do not make black soap with caustic soda, we use potash. Potash is also lye. So when I say lye, please do not be confused. So when the lye in your soap interacts with carbon dioxide, this causes the blooming or the soda ash, the white powdery film. Sometimes this can occur before the soap maker sends the soap out to the end user, and sometimes people will buy black soap, have it in the bathroom for a while, and then it develops soda ash, and most people think that this is something that means that the soap is not usable. It's just simply carbon dioxide that has interacted with unsaponified lye. So when we make soap, our oil, water, and lye would saponify. This basically means that they merge together and then they form soap. But if there's too much lye in that soap, then the free lye will be floating around. It doesn't get to mix together with any water or any oil. So this extra lye that hasn't gone through the saponification process would interact with carbon dioxide and it will cause soda ash, and soda ash is the white powder. And as I keep repeating, this doesn't mean that the soap is not usable. It doesn't mean that the soap has turned into a different thing that's going to cause you any skin problems. It's incredibly easy to deal with soda ash. I'm going to turn the light off now. Carry on. I was going to work with you. I was going to carry on explaining more about soda ash and how you can deal with it whilst I work. But because the battery, I'm so sorry, because the battery is very, very low, I'm just going to go off live, charge the phone, and then record myself answering any questions that I've had come in so far. It would have been really good to get to interact with you guys live so that you could ask me any questions that you have. But that's fine. Once I upload the full video, you can leave any questions that you have about soda ash on African black soap, and I will do my best to answer them for you. Alright guys, take care. It's afternoon here, so wherever in the world you are, whatever time of day it is, take care and look out. I'm going to load this video later today. I'm not even going to drag my feet on it, so it will be available for you to see later today.